I recently came across a tweet that caught my attention. Camila Cabello asked fellow pop star Ariana Grande for advice about ponytail pain. I'll quote her. "I just did a high ponytail for the first time, and it's literally pulling on my brain. It's so painful. How do you do it?" Ultimately, losing the ponytail all the way, by the way. But Ariana's response was interesting. She said she's actually in constant pain from her famous ponytail. And now, Ariana Grande has cut off her famous ponytail, with people asking the question, was it the pain? Today, I'm getting to the root of the problem and revealing how you can avoid the pain without ditching this really popular hairstyle. Now, I admit, this is an area I don't know that much about, so I had to bring in an expert. Kelsey Castagnon is here, the senior beauty editor from Pop Sugar. It's the #1 digital lifestyle brand for young women. Congratulations on that, by the way.
Thanks.
So first, walking back this as a guy. If something would cause pain to my head, I wouldn't do it. Yet women are big into this high ponytail. Why?
It's easy. It's a simple hairstyle. You can just throw it up. And also, it's trendy. You know, you can pull something in this slick, sky-high look, and it's so popular that her hairstylist, Ariana's hairstylist, has a name for it. It's called snatched ponytail. So what that means is you snatch your face, you pull it up, gives you this younger-looking effect, and it just pulls up all your features.
Pursuit of youth, even if you're in pain.
Even if you're in pain. But
come on over here. I want to know what was going on, why it caused so much pain. So I brought you a little model. Here's Ariana's head, right? And I want to look to see whether it can really cause damage. Hair follicles are there, right? And hair follicles, these little things right here, are small pockets of skin that surround the root of your hair. When your hair is pulled back into a high ponytail, like Ariana's, it puts your hair in an unnatural tension, right? An unnatural angle, so it pulls those hair follicles in a weird way, and those follicles have little nerve endings. That tension causes pain. And for Ariana, it could be even worse because her hair is so long and so thick, right? That adds extra weight. So over time, that tight hairstyle can damage your follicles. It could even lead, believe it or not, to hair loss, which is really a big time concern, I know for a lot of you as well. Maybe that's why she cut it off.
yeah, so the ponytail is not going away, obviously, and really it shouldn't be painful. Your ponytail should not be painful. So what you can do is grab a scrunchie. They are back, but these, obviously, as you can see, are silk. So they're silk, and so it will hold your hair, but it gives it a little bit of a slip. So it's not going to be too tough and create that concentrated tension.
You still get that youthful look?
You can get the younger looking effect, but not so pulled,
I see these all over the house. I have no idea what they normally do. I think the guys are like this.
They could be sleeves, you know.
Is this? Yeah.
They're very, very trendy right now. And then you can also
candies?
So they look like telephone cords, right? Those are coil hair ties, because the #1 thing you want to stay away from is the elastic. The elastic is the enemy for your hair. So these evenly distribute your hair. As you can see, the hair will go in these little coil areas, and that way you don't have to deal with so much pressure in one concentrated area.
Kelsey, thanks for deciphering this enigmatic area for me.
Course.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.